I love the Garmin Dash Cam X310 and took it on a road trip. We begin our journey in the Chattahoochee National Forest of North Georgia. As we cross into North Carolina, we see Balsam Mountain right in front of us. Now, in Virginia, we're going through the Big Walker Mountain Tunnel. Continuing on into West Virginia, we'll soon approach the historic New River Gorge Bridge. We're crossing it? Yeah, this bridge. Do you know you can tether yourself underneath and walk across? I didn't try that this trip, but maybe next time. Continuing on the Allegheny Plateau, we now enter Pennsylvania. Ah, look at that sky, into the sun, and through the Fort Pitt Tunnel. Hello, Pittsburgh. And there's Puxatawney Phil. And the Amish. That even sounds like a band. I then headed north to Erie Bluffs State Park. A storm was approaching and I wanted to see a Great Lake and feel 39 degrees in May. Enjoy my moment. It was hard to say goodbye to Appalachia, but like everything, all good things must come to an end. And here I am back home in the ATL city, where the traffic's mean and far from pretty. Yeah.